How to activate Atlantic Union Bank debit card. First off, make sure you've received your new card in the mail. It'll arrive in a branded envelope and should be blank on the back with the activation sticker still intact. Open the Atlantic Union Bank mobile app and log in with your credentials. On the home screen or in the More menu, tap Activate Card. Enter the last 4 digits of your card, then tap Activate. Your card will be active almost instantly, no waiting. If you're on a desktop, visit the Atlantic Union Bank website and log in to your online banking. Go to the Account Services or Card Services section and select Activate Debit Card. Enter your card number and verification details, then click Submit. You're ready to spend. Prefer not to go digital? You can call the activation number printed on the sticker. It'll walk you through activation via automated prompts. Thanks for watching.